Claude AI can use your computer. Anthropic AI showcased how their model Claude can use a computer. The skills are a feature called computer use. It was highlighted with the release of Claude 3.5 Sonnet in October 2024. What you need to know. What it does. Claude can now interact with computers much like a human would. This includes looking at the screen, moving the cursor, clicking buttons, and typing. This lets Claude navigate software, browse the web, and do complex multi-step tasks. Why it's useful. This feature automates tasks that typically need humans. It boosts productivity and automates complex or repetitive desktop workflows. Developers can use this feature to automate tests, research, and multi-step tasks in software. They can also integrate it into their apps with the API. How to use it. The computer use feature is in public beta. It's tied to the Claude 3.5 Sonnet model. Anthropic has made this accessible for developers through APIs. Key ideas. Real-life use cases. Videos are emerging of Claude in action. They include filling out forms, using apps, and making simple programs in real time. Each use case comes with a mix of awe and concern. People are amazed by the technology's potential. But its current limits show in tasks that need many steps or specific interactions. It's early days, but it's an exciting start.